People might call him Babai Training, but he has really been an institution to training in the country. Someone, his best competitor even would like to come over and respect him. Please put your hands together for Kamran Rizvi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Sohail, आपने बहुत ज़बरदस्त तारुफ कराया, but the truth of the matter is that when we talk of training in Pakistan, then the first name that comes to mind is Mia Ghani. And Mia Ghani was in Pakistan pre-partition. And I know that his dedication to this cause has been long-lasting, so long that he's been active even to this day. He's, mashallah, 80 plus. And unko dekha dekhi bahut se aur aaye hain. It just happened that I came at a time when his efforts had become such that thoda sa pani dalo to पौधे बहुत जल्दी निकलते हैं. So I've actually been riding the wave, and we're all part of that. So a big hand to Mia Ghani, please. The theme of today is what senior management expectations are when it comes to HR. और अगर देखा जाए तो जो यहाँ पर गैलेक्सी हमारे साथ बैठी है, ज़हीर बेग साहब हुए, असफर सईद बेग हुए, these two gentlemen, for example, are converts to HR. They did not start their careers in HR. And it will be interesting for them to share a few insights as they speak on the subject as to what got them to come into HR. Then, of course, we have over here Yusuf Jamshed. ये बुजुर्ग हैं हमारे यहाँ पर ABB से आए हुए हैं. तो वो आपको अपना नज़रिया ज़रूर पेश करेंगे, because a perspective which is fresh and young and energetic from a बुजुर्ग is a nice idea. And Wasif जो है यहाँ पर, he is a through and through HR person, I think, from the start. So we have a variation of perspectives. The process that we'll follow is as follows. Number one, do you all have the PC notepad? Right? I hope you've not used it up. What you would be doing after each of our friends have spoken for 3 minutes is pose your question on the pad, those who wish to, of course. This is not a 100% exercise. And what you would like to do is write your name on top, your email address, and then what I would like you to do is address the question to a particular panelist. You must specify your question to a person, and then write your question, and come and place it here. But when you come, just send one representative from each table to come and place your questions on this unit over here. Are you okay with that? Point one. Point two, what I will then also do is something which you are not familiar with, but it'll help most of us participate actively in the Q&A that follows. So it is an interactive segment, and the idea here is for you to engage as much as possible with our friends who have taken out time from their working schedule. So that is really what I would like to say. One thought on talent management that I would convey to you is this. If we are not in sync with nature, we will have a lot of stress. ठीक है जी? तो when we are dealing with people, ask yourself, जो कुदरत के खिलाफ बातें हैं इदारों में, उनकी वजह से बहुत सी दुख और गम और स्ट्रेस भी है. So it's very good to achieve performance, but it's also very important to remember you will achieve lots of performance with least stress if you're aligned to the natural laws and the natural process. What that is, Google. Okay. With that, Zahir Saab, the mic is with you. May I request you to make your 3-minute opening remarks. Thank you.